brain. The brain is the principal organ of nervous system. It is basically divided into three parts: the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It is demarcated into cerebrum and diencephalon. The cerebrum is further divided into two halves called cerebral hemispheres. Each hemisphere is internally hollow, and their walls have two regions: the outer cortex, that is grey matter, and the inner white matter. The white matters mainly consist of axons of neurons. The grey matter contains cell bodies of neurons. The grey matter is highly folded to form convolutions, and these folds are known as gyri. While the grooves are called sulci, it is believed that a large number of convolutions in the human brain indicate greater intelligence. Deep sulci divide each hemisphere into 4 lobes, which are interconnected. The frontal lobes are located in the front of the brain, while the parietal lobes are located behind the frontal lobes. The temporal lobes are located on each side of the brain, while the occipital lobes are the smallest and located at the back of the brain. The right cerebral hemisphere and the left cerebral hemisphere are connected by a sheet of fibers called corpus callosum. The function of this sheet is to transfer the information from one central hemisphere to the other. The diencephalon is the posterior part of the forebrain. It contains structures such as the thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus is a large elliptical gray mass located at the base of the hemisphere. Hypothalamus is located below the thalamus. A stalk that extends from the floor of hypothalamus is called infundibulum. It connects hypothalamus to the posterior pituitary gland. The midbrain is a short constricted portion which connects the forebrain and the hindbrain. It is connected with cranial nerves. It is divided into corpora quadrigemina and cerebral peduncles. Corpora quadrigemina is a 4-lobed structure, while cerebral peduncles are a band of longitudinal white nerve fibers on the floor of midbrain. The hindbrain is also called brainstem, which connects the brain with the spinal cord. It consists of pons, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla oblongata. It is also divided into 2 lateral hemispheres, which are connected by the media part called vermes. Each hemisphere has a central core, which is made up of white matter, and the outer region made up of grey matter. Pons is a broad and horseshoe-shaped mass of nerve fibers. It is located below the cerebellum. It serves as a bridge between the midbrain and the medulla oblongata. It is also the point of origin or termination for 4 of the cranial nerves. The medulla oblongata is the lowest part of the brain stem and is posteriorly connected with the spinal cord. It has a central core made up of grey matter and the outer region made up of white matter. Each part of the brain works in harmony to control and coordinate the complete body and its function.